In this exercise, we will discover the parenting option and we will create this very simple animation. I'll go to After Effects, New Composition. I'm gonna set the duration to 12 seconds. Click on OK, right click, import file. I go to exercise 16. I select the images and click on import. I'm gonna click on the background, drag and drop like this. I'm gonna bring the baby duck, drag and drop, and now I'm gonna bring the big duck right here. I select the baby duck and I'm gonna duplicate it, Control D. I'm gonna move the copy right here. Click, Control D. I move the copy right here. Control D once again. And I move the copy right here. Now we need to animate the ducks. Of course, we can animate them one by one from here to here, or we can use the parenting option, which makes things easier. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select this baby duck and I'm gonna parent it to the big duck right here. To do that, I go here, parent and link. I go to this. This is what we call a pick whip. I click on the pick whip and click and drag. Right here, I put the cursor on the big duck and I let go. And just like that, I parented the baby duck to the big duck. Here in parent and link, we see baby duck. It's parented to this layer, the big duck. And now, if I select the big duck and I move it around, we notice the baby duck moves as well. If I scale the big duck up, we notice the baby duck scales as well. And if we rotate, the baby duck rotates as well. Control Z to go back. If I want to cancel the parenting, if I no longer want this baby duck to be parented to the big duck, all I have to do is click here and click on none. And now the baby duck is no longer parented to the big duck. If I move the big duck, I notice the baby duck doesn't move anymore. Control Z to go back. Now I'm gonna parent all these baby ducks to the big duck. I can use the pick whip like this, or I can click here and parent it simply by choosing the layer manually here. Now it's parented to the big duck, as you see. And for the rest of the ducks, I'm gonna select them, press shift, select the 3 ducks, and I'm gonna click on the pick whip and parent the 3 to the big duck. And now we see here they are all parented to the big duck. I click on the big duck. I'm gonna place it right here. I'm gonna press P to bring the position. I click on the stopwatch. Of course, make sure the playhead is at 0 seconds. Now I'm gonna move to the end of the timeline, 12 seconds, and I'm gonna take the big duck from here to here. I can press shift to make sure it stays on the same horizontal line like this. And now I'm gonna play the entire animation. Now the exercise is finished. You go do the same and don't forget to save.